Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: child-proof rear door locks, side airbag, power windows, power brakes, overhead console, outside temperature gauge, engine immobilizer, front tow hooks, digital clock, 4-piece floor mat set. Your new ride is just a phone call away.